Good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning on this 2020 Attitude 3016 SS. Really nice coach, a lot of nice features about it, some extra little things as well, and we'll point them out as we go through. One of the real cool things that I want to point out as we start here in the front is, of course, the full fiberglass front cap with the LED lighting. Really looks cool at night, especially going down the freeway. Just a really cool feature about it. All the Attitudes are built in that kind of cool toy haulish manner and really show nice. But it's going to come standard with a 5500 watt generator, lithium battery. That's right, lithium. No longer the old school batteries. It's going to come with the solar panel. We're going to have 140 gallons of fresh water. We're going to have a 40-gallon fuel station and a lot of other cool things that I'll point out as we go through the unit. Follow me. Both of your propane tanks are right here on the same side, which makes it really convenient, easy to pull out, easily serviceable with your regulator right there. Pass-through front compartment. In that pass-through front compartment, you're going to also notice that this coach is equipped with an inverter. So you've got an inverter and a converter, LED outside spotlights with electric awning and LED lighting behind the awning. Nice outdoor speakers, nice wheel and tire package, metal fender flares, metal skirting around the coach. As we come inside, all of your controls are in one nice, easy to find location, so everything is right there for your convenience. Two nice large televisions, lots of overhead cabinets. You've got the two rear couches. You've got the queen size bed on the top, outdoor patio deck, so you've got the decking and the stair system, two tables, two nice swivel rocker chairs, again, additional cabinetry. Look at the styling on these. That's really nice. They've done a great job this year upgrading all of their cabinetry. Nice double door refrigerator with a huge kitchen area, lots of cabinets, overhead cabinets and drawers. Again, solid surface countertops, generator buttons right here, easy access, large farmhouse sink with the pull down. Moving inside to the bathroom area, you'll notice there's a nice corner shower, lots of extra storage for toiletry items and towels and so forth. Coming up into the bedroom, you're going to notice this unit's got two air conditioners. You've got a wardrobe closet on the slide out, two wardrobes on each side of the bed with pull-out drawers as well, and cubbies with power so that you can plug things in at night. All LED lighting throughout. Got a nice fiberglass cap on the back with, again, two outside spotlights. Nice locks. Drop-down ladder. Again, a 40-gallon fuel station. Water fill-up is right there, easily and convenient. Extra large capacity water heater with tank flush on the outside, battery disconnect switch right here. Again, large pass-through. Just a lot of great features on this coach. If you have any questions on it, please contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.